Hello friends. Now we will be discussing about another process that is known as respiration. Respiration is the process by which the food taken through nutrition gets oxidized to release energy for performing various activities. Respiration, in simple words, can be defined as the process of biochemical oxidation of nutrients. It is a catabolic process in which exchange of gases take place between the body and the outside environment. The biochemical oxidation of nutrient take place in different ways in different organisms. The energy released during respiration is used to make ATP. This reaction takes place in mitochondria of the cell and energy is stored in the cells in the form of ATP. There are two main types of respiration. They are aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. The process in which large amount of energy is released in presence of oxygen from the breaking down of food substance is called as aerobic respiration. The respiratory process in which small amount of energy is released in absence of oxygen from the breakdown of the food substance is known as anaerobic respiration. Now we will understand the various ways of breaking down the glucose. The biochemical oxidation of nutrient take place in different ways in different organisms. However, the first step, that is breaking down of glucose into pyruvic acid or pyruvate, is common to all. This process of conversion of glucose to pyruvate is called as glycolysis and occurs inside the cytoplasm of the cell. After this, the conversion of pyruvate into another substance depends on the presence or absence of oxygen. The oxidative breaking down of respiratory substrate with the help of atmospheric oxygen is known as aerobic respiration. This part of the reaction occurs in mitochondria. Each glucose molecule releases 38 ATP molecule. The respiration which occurs in absence of atmospheric oxygen is called as anaerobic respiration. It is termed as fermentation in microorganism and results in incomplete breaking down of sugar into ethanol and carbon dioxide to release energy. This process mainly occurs in yeast. This process of incomplete breakdown of sugar into lactic acid and energy also occurs in some bacteria. However, in our muscle cell, during vigorous physical exercise, glucose is metabolized to form lactic acid. The accumulation of lactic acid causes fatigue and muscle cramps after prolonged exercise.